I think the main thing for people to know, Jake, and a big takeaway from this whole bill that can actually get lost is that this is the primary function of it, right? The permanent extension of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act income brackets. So those went into place in 2017, 2018, when the legislation was initially passed, expected to phase out or sunset at the end of this year. The reality, though, is with the passage of this, it eliminates that uncertainty for future tax rates for the years ahead here in the short term. And that I do expect to generally be a positive for people, Jake, because the uncertainty around it has been removed. But tax brackets aren't going to change at the end of this year like they were going to if this bill didn't pass.
Yeah, so that's what's changed. So to be clear for our audience, many people's tax brackets were set to increase starting in 2026. Now that is not going to happen, which is really good news for a lot of people, right? Because now we don't have to worry about your tax bracket going up. However, I want to be clear, permanent doesn't mean forever. It just means there's not going to be a sunsetting period, meaning it probably will change, Corey. However, it's going to take another bill to change it. So there's not an expiration on your tax bracket, which is great, which allows our financial planning group to readjust your plan accordingly.